After almost 2 years of battling with COVID-19 and locked in our house, finally we are going back to new normal. We all are excited, right? Still, aren't we find it a little bit difficult to adjust in new normal? Unfortunately, the answer is yes. Especially for working mother, malnutrition could exacerbate the effect of COVID-19 in mother and children and make current situation into a intergenerational one. According to UNICEF, the pandemic has huge impact on parents who are our direct target group. The 20 parents we talked with on our survey, almost everyone expressed that they had really hard time finding nutritionists during lockdown. Greater effort is needed to make sure that essential nutrition services are operating at full capacity. Introducing our first big idea, Nor Healthy Kids. Shishu Jotne, Mayesh Shosti. We chose Nor as Nor believes that wholesome nutrition food should be accessible and affordable to all. So, Nor Healthy Kid is an app for parents by which they can now connect with the country's child nutritionists and specialists to satisfy their child-related concern with just a swipe of their finger. This app will also show the list of nutritionists of necessary details so that they can address their child need necessities accordingly and help them to find nearby nutritionists. 18 out of 20 parents agreed on a survey that they would find app more reliable if the service was provided by Nor, as Nor focuses on nutrition. So, to ensure the fullest extent to their goal, Nor Healthy Kids app will provide nutrition recipe approved by nutritionists so that parents, especially working parents, can find ease in preparing food and sense of mental satisfaction. In essence, Nor will take one step further for parents to find ease by providing them a platform for childcare in the new normal.
COVID-19 pandemic, one of the greatest life-threatening situations of recent time, has changed the course of each and every aspect of people's life, especially the small and medium enterprises, as people cannot get to the market or fear entering the market due to the violation of social distancing. According to Food and Agricultural Organization of United Nations, the number of people visiting marketplaces has decreased by 80 to 90% due to the 80 to 90% compared to the pre-COVID scenario. Also, when we asked people, 18 out of 20 people agreed that the procedure of purchasing products from shops and stores violates the social distancing and health code. To address this problem, we present our second big idea, Nor vending machine Shomoy Proyojone. We selected Nor because it is a brand that promotes betterment of two basic human needs, health and food. Nor vending machine is an idea to install vending machines in various places of Dhaka with the aim of minimizing direct human contact and ensuring the availability of products. Also, 15 out of 20 people on our survey agreed that the vending machine could be a safer and more convenient way of purchasing, especially during the time of COVID-19. Vending machine might act as a necessity for the new future of digitalization as it enables the opportunity of constant service. And it also could act as a permanent solution for any inconvenient situation like lockdown in the future. So, by implementing this idea, Nor will be able to address the necessity of new normal by providing people an opportunity of hassle-free, healthy life.
Children on autism spectrum, DSS identified 465,693 children with disabilities, which is 21.72% of the total population. It is a cognitive disability that can range from moderate to severe, requiring a special education, which the country's present system is unable to deliver. Also, when the world was busy trying to cope up with the new normal situation, the special children must remain ignored. So yes, this is our last but not the least big idea is campaign for special child, Shuru Hok Notun Jatra Proti Pakete. Yes, this is going to be one of the largest campaign on autism powered by Nor to spread the message to inspire the strong parents of the special children that the uniqueness of their children should be celebrated, as well as motivating the parents to encourage their remarkable child by making them more self-dependent for their better and bright future. In the every packet of Nor products, there will be a hashtag Amrawari where the children with their parents have to post joyful moments while cooking Nor soups, noodles or any kinds of products they are purchasing with a short write-up by describing that moment. Finally, in the bootcamp round, there will be a selection round across the nation and the shortlisted special children along with their parents will be the participant to get the opportunity to be a part of Shoishop, the program of Educare of Special Child where Nor will be the first brand in Bangladesh supporting and cherishing the special talent of disabled children and will take the expenses of education of the special child. We wouldn't change you, but yes, we will change the world for you.